Welcome back to today's video. My name is Ruth Kwamby. If you are watching this for the first time, and this channel is about healthy juices, smoothies, and a bit of travel. And before we go on, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure your post notification button is turned on so that you'll always be the first to get notified when you have a new video coming in. Thank you guys for those who subscribed and are watching all the videos. Thank you so much, and welcome to today's video. Today's video, just from the title, I want to talk about turmeric. Before I talk about turmeric, if you've not watched the last video that I did about kitchen healers, make sure you watch it out. Turmeric was not mentioned in that video. I want to do its own video today because of its awesome and amazing benefits. And I want to show you how we can make turmeric tea specifically, and mention the benefits of drinking turmeric tea. Turmeric is a warm spice that is normally used in cooking. It's used in making curries. People use it to make custard. Some people drink it. People use it in their day-to-day beauty process. So it has so many awesome benefits. So I want to show you how we can make turmeric tea and what are the benefits of turmeric tea, and I'll mention few other benefits of using turmeric. So please make sure you stay with me till the end of this video. So this is what we need. We need coconut milk. Okay, if you can't find coconut milk, then you can opt to use soy milk. But first, what I did is I warmed it. This is very good. Now, turmeric itself is anti-inflammatory, it's antiseptic, it's an antibiotic. It has numerous benefits. It's very good for fast. If you want to lose weight, you can use this turmeric. It can help you lower cholesterol and lose weight. It can help you reduce fat. It's good in liver detoxing. It can purify your blood. It can help your blood become very clean. Turmeric tea can improve digestion. It prevents bloating, can heal stomach ulcers. It's very good. If you drink it at night, it can give you good sleep. So turmeric itself, you can use it for your skin. For people who have oily skin, what you can do with turmeric is add it to your mask and mask your skin and wash it off after it dries. You can mix it with the other ingredients that you have. You can also use it as a face scrub. I normally add it to my face scrub. Just add a bit of it to whatever you're using to scrub your face. If you have oily skin, it's very good, and it's going to help you achieve an acne-free skin, or a clear skin for that case. So I hope you're going to try out this turmeric tea. For people who have cancer, it can help reduce the chemotherapy effects. It can also help you reduce or prevent you from contracting some cancer later, like prostate cancer, colon cancer, and such like. By the way, you can add cinnamon. You can sprinkle some bit of cinnamon to it. You can add ginger to it if you just want to make it more and more spicy. But I just love it like that. So make sure you try it out, guys. The benefits are awesome, and it's going to help you at the end of it all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for staying with me till the end of this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you in my next video.